Welcome to Wow Flash Flood, a channel dedicated to bringing you the amazing moments of flash floods, violent nature, and the incredible power of water. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the most impressive footage. The waves rolled like a giant monster, roaring and rushing straight to the shore, collapsing the hotel porch in the blink of an eye. The concrete shattered, the iron frame bent, the seawater rushed in fiercely, as if wanting to swallow everything and submerge the entire structure. Massive flash floods swept through parts of China, sweeping away homes, roads, and property in the blink of an eye. Many houses collapsed and people fled in panic. Rescuers are working hard to find the missing and deal with the aftermath. Tornado wind, the whirlwind of death. Tornado winds can blow away roofs, cars, and even you if you weigh less than 50 kilograms. Tip: if you see your neighbor's house suddenly fly up like in The Wizard of Oz, it's time to get into the basement or hold on to something, preferably indoors. In the sky of France, a multi-layered round cloud appeared, making people amazed. The layers of clouds stacked on top of each other, changing colors from white, light pink to bright orange and yellow under the sun, looking like a giant dome drawn by the hands of nature. That majestic and magical scene turned the city sky into a vivid, breathtakingly beautiful picture. This phenomenon could be lenticular clouds. A terrible hailstorm poured down. Each stone as big as a fist fell straight onto the street. Car windows were shattered in seconds. The car bodies were dented. The paint peeled off like it had just been through a bombardment. Many vehicles were abandoned on the side of the road, severely damaged. The scene of devastation showed the brutal power of nature. In just a few minutes, anything created by humans can be mercilessly smashed. Catastrophic floods, when water submerges everything. In just a few hours, a flood can turn your streets into Venice, but you don't have a boat. Tip: if you see fish swimming in front of your house, don't wait for a crocodile to appear. Find higher ground immediately. Thank you for watching and subscribing to the channel. We appreciate your support and will continue to bring you the most impressive footage of the power of nature. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any moment.